Welcome back, YouTube. Before we start, I have a couple different settings, so I don't know. The video might turn out bad. I might not even upload this, but last video I had changed the position of my microphone, so I ended up deleting that because I didn't like it. Now it's back where I liked it, so hopefully this will turn out okay. But it is chilly, it is cold. It's like, I don't even know, like 40 degrees or something right now. It's been like in the 60s and 70s, or not 60s, 70s, 80s, nearly 90s. That's a nice truck. But yeah, I kind of have like an idea of what I want to talk about today, and that would be gear. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have different gloves on, and yeah, I kind of just wanted to talk a little bit about like gear choices. So if you can see, I'm wearing really nice gloves, but the rest of me, like, not much there. I just kind of wanted to talk about the importance of wearing gear, and like when to wear gear, when not to wear gear. In my opinion, it is personal preference. So if you're okay with getting terrible road rash and possibly worse, then, you know, you can choose not to wear gear. If you're fine with being hot and uncomfortable, and you don't want to risk getting road rash or anything like that, then maybe don't wear gear. Like, you kind of just gotta choose. So what I do, if I know that I'm gonna be riding like faster, if I'm gonna be taking sharper corners and like trying to drag my knee, then I try to wear as much gear as possible. If I know I'm just gonna absolutely just like cruise, then maybe I wear less gear. It is all like up to you, but you also got to be smart about it. Jeez, it is cold. But yeah, I ordered these gloves. They're Kenimoto. I recommend them to anybody, but these are actually too small. So these were 120 bucks. You can use the code ADOBOMOTO, so ADOBOMOTO. Use that code and you'll get like a good chunk off of the price. But yeah, these are too small, so I gotta send them back and get a size bigger. I bought extra large. I need an XXL or a triple XL, which hopefully I'll be able to get that. Yeah, it's not a great day for riding, but oh well, we're gonna make do. I also have some new camera settings that I'm testing out, so if it doesn't go well, then I'm just gonna throw this video out, make something new. But I'm definitely cold. One thing about wearing gloves is like I can't feel the throttle as well as I normally do. And like even turning feels a little bit worse than it normally does. Like harder. I don't know, when I can feel when I can feel everything, when I can feel the handlebars and the clutch and the brake, and it just seems easier to maneuver the bike in general. But yeah, no, I definitely won't be trying to drag my knee for a long time. I don't have the right pants for it. I had been practicing it until I slid out, and then I was like, wow, this road rash kind of hurts. Golly, it is cold right now. actually just took the bike out too, and I washed it and everything. I need some wax, like ceramic, that I can like coat it with, but no, it's alright. I don't have all the cleaning tools. I really wanted to completely clean my chain, but I don't have good stuff for that. That's alright. Ooh, it is cold. Bro, you do not need to go that far over. Oh, yeah, no, this is hard. With these gloves, trying to feel my stuff. Oh, that's just kind of part of the process, I guess, of riding. Choose when to wear the most gear or when not to. I don't know. Are you kidding me? Come on, man. Oh, come on. Come on. You got it. Come on. Where are they going? Dude, where are these people going? Oh, it's sprinkling out. I went a little bit faster than I wanted to there. I'm trying to work on staying like in the speed limit, you know? I mean, especially for video purposes, you gotta like, you just gotta be so careful. It just gives like police another resource to like trick on you for stuff. Ooh, it's cold. And it's starting to sprinkle, and I just washed my bike and I don't like that. That's not fun. Yeah, that water looks terrible. Alright, I think I'm gonna... Ooh. Guys, let's go down there. I just switched into neutral by accident. How embarrassing. Yeah, with these gloves, it's kind of hard to feel my bite point. I don't know. I've never been down this road. I never had a reason to. I guess we're kind of just exploring. I guess it doesn't matter. Ah! Why is it so cold? My visor's fogging up too. Ah, now I'm getting rain in my eye. I can't have it up. Bro. Oof. I need a Pinlock. My new helmet's coming anyways. I'll be fine. Ooh, that's a nice house. I won't lie. These are all nice houses. Heist. Oh! It's like they have hidden speed bumps. Ready? Ready? Speed bump! Oh! Why are there so many? I swear it's like they put it there on purpose. Like all these... Like, I don't know. Going back, you'll see. Or maybe you saw when I was coming this way. You could also just rewind. I guess it's a video. How far does this go? Shemishus. Oh, you know what? I have been down this road. It goes pretty far. Alright, you know, we're gonna take it anyways. It is sprinkling. I would hate to fall in the water, so we don't want to do that. Wait. I think... Honestly, wait. Maybe there's another way to get back. It's cold. Sometimes I talk just because I'm cold. Oh my gosh, it's so bumpy. My visor is fogging out too. That's not nice. That is not nice. Wood. Road narrows, bro. I feel like I'm gonna get murdered back here. Why does it go so far? Jeez. Oh my gosh. My hands are frozen too. Oh, come on. Just to turn into a dirt road. Well, I guess this is kind of a good place to... Come on, go into neutral. There we go. Good place to stop and take a look at the bike. Oh, it is sprinkling. Dang it, I'm gonna have to wash my bike again. Alright, I should hurry home. Ooh, it's getting windy. I swear, if it starts raining on me...